What's up, guys? It's Taylor with LeSueur Car Company. We are back with another car review. Today we'll be talking about our new 2019 Honda Pilot. This has got the touring trim and it is the 7-passenger edition. Now with this touring trim we get lots of cool features. Starting up on this front end we get LED headlights. These will be the lights that wrap around the headlight itself. Also do get a chrome wrapped front grille, adaptive cruise control behind that Honda badge. Get front bumper sensors as well as fog lights. Great looking two-tone alloy rims. Chrome trimming continues on the side of the car, around the windows, on the door handles, and on the lower parts of the car. Coming around to the back here, we get a really good looking back end with rear parking sensors, backup camera under that lip, touring badge to the right, Pilot to the left, and then an automatic power lift gate. Now getting into the back of the car, we get our all-terrain rubber mats, 12-volt socket to the left, and then a third row of seating. So we get AC in these back seats, cup holders, and then lighting even in the back here. And just tap that button to close that automatically. Lastly, we do get keyless entry, blind spot monitors, and remote start with the key. Let's take a look at the interior. Alright guys, so as for the interior of this Honda Pilot, we have a lot to talk about. Starting up on the steering wheel, it comes with Bluetooth capabilities, voice control, cruise control. We got adaptive cruise control over here on the right, as well as lane keep. It also is leather wrapped. Over here on the left is where you'll find your eco mode, rear view mirror controls, parking sensors, collision warning, lane departure warning, and your traction control. Comes with a memory driver seat. We got controls on the left side, and then automatic front two windows. We got our gas cap, trunk latch, and hood latch all in the same area. Over here on our infotainment center, we got lots of cool stuff to do. It comes with navigation. We get FM, AM radios, Apple CarPlay. So Apple CarPlay will allow you to open up your own personal navigation, your own personal music apps, all through USB connection with your cell phone. Got a 12-volt power outlet right next to that. And then you got a little more. We got our rear entertainment USB. So your rear entertainment actually will be a TV right here. It pulls down, visible for that those back two rows. We got a couple more things with that. In your console, we get our headphones, and then we have a Blu-ray disc player up here. And then just behind here, we get two headphone jacks, HDMI port, all for that rear entertainment center. This also does come with dual zone AC in the passenger side and driver side. We get heated seats for the front two seats. A little bit of compartment space down here, and then the gear shifter, we get 4 buttons instead. So we get park, pull back for reverse, neutral, drive, snow mode, and then our automatic engine start and stop system. In our console, we get a 12-volt power outlet, and then an aux port, USB for charging. This one does come with a full black leather interior with armrests for the front seats and this second row. You get 2 cup holders, a little bit of space there, but the seats themselves are super comfortable. We get lots of leg room, even in that back row and up front. But lastly, we do get Homelink on the rear view mirror, as well as a moonroof just up above us. The controls are right up in front of you. Overall, a great looking interior. There's a lot to do. This is definitely a family SUV. To wrap it up, guys, this Pilot is in amazing condition with no damages or accidents on its Carfax report. This one is a one-owner vehicle with just over 29,000 miles. Comes with a 3.5 liter V6 engine. Gets up to 20 miles per gallon in city, 27 on the highway. Seats up to 7 people. With that touring trim, we get tons of cool tech in there, like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. We get navigation through those two as well. We also do get that rear entertainment center, heated seats, tons of safety options. And then as for the exterior, we get LED headlights, parking sensors everywhere, as well as alloy rims. Come on down to LeSueur Car Company and check it out. We'll see you guys soon.